How to fix Find My iPhone grayed out problem on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to enable Find My iPhone but the option is grayed out, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the common reasons behind the issue and how to fix it. So let's dive right into it. One of the most common causes is screen time restrictions. Here's how to fix it. First, open the Settings app and tap on Screen Time, then select Content and Privacy Restriction. Here, go to Location Services and make sure Location Services is set to allow changes. Once that's done, head back to Find My iPhone and the option should no longer be grayed out. Another possible reason is that your iCloud account settings are locked. Here's what to do. Go to your settings and tap on your name at the top and select Find My. If you are unable to make changes, you might need to log out of your iCloud account and log back in. To do this, go to Settings, tap on your name and click Sign Out and log back with your Apple ID and password. Next, if your phone is managed by a school or workplace, they might have restricted this feature. Unfortunately, you will need to contact the administrator to lift the restriction. If none of this works, it should be a software glitch. Try restarting your iPhone or updating to the latest iOS version. To do this, open Settings and tap on General, then go to Software Update and download and install any update available. This often resolves minor bugs like this one. And there you have it. One of these steps should help you fix the grayed out Find My iPhone problem. If it still doesn't work, consider contacting Apple support for further help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.